taking pictures now for the last 10 years. Before that, I played music all my life, but now that passion has become photography. I like to be my photography between a painting and a photograph. So when people look at it, I like them to wonder whether it's a picture or a painting. So I like to add a little bit magic to my work. What I like to do with my photography is give you the feeling you can walk right into your image. So you know these old paintings or drawings you have for children's book where you can walk into the scene. I like that very much, and I walk many forests in the Netherlands. One of my favorites is where we are now, which is called the Speelde Forest, which is an amazing magical forest, and they call it the Forest of the Dancing Trees. So this is one of my favorite forests where I come back many times. When we have a workshop in the Netherlands, we will visit, of course, this forest, which is my favorite one, but also the rural landscape near the town Lochem, where I lived for a couple of years. So I know this area very well, and it's very photogenic. I was thinking about setting up this workshop. I was thinking what will be the most important thing for people to learn, and that's just find your own style. Just wake up your own creativity. I think that's the most important. From that on, you can go any direction. And how do you tell the story? What kind of mood do you put into your picture?